Hello, welcome to Talking Rubbish Recycle Content, where we recycle the most useful bits of the weekly podcast. Join us as we discuss the process of recycling our waste. Are certain items rubbish or not? And we get to answer weekly listener questions. I'm James Piper, author of The Rubbish Book, and I'm joined by Robbie Staniforth, my far from rubbish friend. I got an email from David 2 days before our aeroplane episode went out. 2 days before, saying, are water pistols rubbish or not? What are the chances? What are the chances of that?
Are we sure this David wasn't snooping on our recording? Knew what was coming?
No idea. And I just replied saying you are going to laugh so much on Thursday. So, are water pistols rubbish or not? Well, the Super Soaker, which is obviously the big brand in the water pistol world, it first went on sale in 1990 and now has made over $1 billion of sales in that time. It is extremely hard to find out what plastic they're made of. And as you will hear in our rubbish question today, I had to go to the toy shop for a different question, and I thought I'll try and find out what these water pistols are made of, and it's almost impossible. I suspect they are made of ABS, which is a very strong plastic. It's the plastic that Lego use. Water guns are going to operate under pressure, so you're going to need something strong that isn't just going to crack and cause damage. So I think they're going to be made of ABS or a different type of strong plastic, but unlikely to be made of like recycled content, things like that. So, Robbie, assuming it is ABS or just a strong type of plastic, what do you reckon? Rubbish or not?
I think it's rubbish. It's got to be discarded. I think it probably can ultimately be recycled by someone can granulate it up and turn it into plastic pellets. But don't put this in your recycling bin at the curbside because it's not like any other plastic packaging that gets picked up from your home.
Absolutely, yeah. ABS does not get collected at curbside. Not that you'd want to throw out your Lego anyway, but maybe a broken water pistol you might throw out. Definitely won't be collected at curbside. But you could take it to your local recycling centre, tip, dump, whatever we call it, if it was broken. Or if it wasn't broken, you could obviously donate it to charity. Of course, if you're really running out of ways of disposing of it and you don't want to do any of those things, just take it to the airport and let the border police get rid of it for you, as Robbie.
Do not create more airport waste. Do not do that. Lesson learned.
I did find while I was doing this research, the Nerf Super Soaker XP20 AP, which is one of their water pistols that has a tank, so the bit you fill with water, made of recycled plastic bottles. So that must be PET, that bit. And that'll just be because that doesn't need to be under pressure. So they're able to use recycled content. So if you wanted a slightly more environmentally friendly water pistol, you could look for the Nerf Super Soaker XP20-AP.
Hey.
I guess this led me to think, what could you do that meant you didn't have to buy a toy? And I was thinking you could use an old PET bottle. If you just, I don't know if this would work, but put a little hole in the end of the lid. Could you like squeeze the bottle and it would basically achieve the same thing? Would that work?
Yeah, sounds like it would to me. I mean, you have to get a lot of pressure, though. That's not going to be as forceful as the Super Soaker.
And we did have a lovely message last night from Broken Obelisk on Discord. No idea whose alias that is, but thank you very much, Broken Obelisk, for this. And they said, back in my student days, I was engaged in a game of Killer where participants were allocated a random other student and had to ambush them unawares with a water pistol. This meant I travelled around at all times with a tiny loaded plastic water pistol in my satchel. And I just forgot it was there. At the end of term, I flew back to spend Christmas with my family and my satchel was manually checked at security. The guard removed the tiny transparent green pistol and laughed. Oh no, she's smuggling a gun. Then pointed it at her colleague and pulled the trigger without realising it was loaded, at which point they stopped laughing and I never got the water pistol back.
That's amazing. Oh, that's so good. Literally squirted their colleague in the face with water. That's brilliant.
Thank you for that, Broken Obelisk. It's great. Thank you so much for listening to Talking Rubbish Recycled Content. Remember to subscribe to us wherever you get your podcasts, leave us a review and follow us on social media where we are at Rubbish Podcast. These clips come from the weekly show, which you can find by just searching for Talking Rubbish. Special thanks to our sponsor EcoSurety and all of you for taking the time to support us in our mission to help everyone to recycle better. There is nothing left for me to say other than see you next bin day. Bye.
Bye.